Hello and hi guys, welcome back to Soft Asia Tech. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can design or restyle this comment form in your WordPress post or blog using Divi Page Builder. To style comment form in your WordPress blog, first you'll need to log in to the dashboard. Once you logged into your site, go to post, and then edit any of these posts. Now click on Start Building. Scroll down to the end of post. Here you can see a default comment form shown. Now I will click on this plus button. Select regular and choose single row. Now select comments. Now we will design the comment section. Here you can show the avatar, reply button or comment count, etc. Leave them, just go to design and fields. Here you have to choose field background color which shown here. I will select red, it will appear like that. I will select this one and make it little bit light. Now in next step we will change field text color. We will make it white. Now here field focus background, make it white, and in field focus text color I also made it white and clear this one. Now you can change field margin or padding. Here I will change font. I will select Abel. Now you can change font size. I will select 20. You can change the letter spacing and field line height. Now here you can add shadow in text. Now that's it for comment box. Close this field. Now we will change the typography of these texts. Now we will change the shadow and change color of shadow. Now click on this tick button, click on these three dots and save. Now exit the Visual Builder. It will take you to your actual page. Now here you can see this appear like that. Now we will log out from our account to see how it looks for new visitors. Now we have logged out. Scroll down to the end of post. Here you can see it appears like that. Here you have to add name, the email, website and the comment. And when you click on submit, the form will be submitted. Now here is the error that name and email was not added. Let's see how it works. That's it. Now click on submit comment. And the comment was successfully submitted. As you can see, comment is awaiting moderation. When you approve this comment as a administrator, this count will change to 1. That's how you can style or redesign comment form in your WordPress blog or page using Divi Page Builder. Hope you learned something from this tutorial. If so, Please like, share and subscribe our channel for future updates. Thanks for watching.